Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I've got a little Thanksgiving Day treat that I want to show you how to make. It's something special that I think your guests will want to take home after their Thanksgiving feast. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you will need orange, brown, yellow, red, or black candies, brown paper bag, plastic pastry bag, tape, twine, cardstock printed with our PDF, circle punch, a hole puncher, rubber band, and scissors. What we're going to do is take a pastry bag. Now, if I was going to make a carrot, this would be the perfect shape. But because I want to make corn, I need to adjust it a little bit. And that's why I'm going to be using some clear tape. And my pastry bag, I'm just going to fold it up about 3-4 inches there, so I get a nice flat edge, and then I am just going to put a piece of tape on it, and I'm going to fold the edge in from the outer side to square it off. Open it up, make sure that my bag is open, and pour in my Reese's. There you go, and you see it starts to take on the shape of an ear of corn. Add a few more there. This is where we're going to be using our rubber band. There you go. Now I'm going to create the corn husky part, and to do that I'm going to be using a paper bag. So I'm just going to take this great paper bag, and I'm using this kind of a paper bag, which is not like a lunch bag, but is like a heavy-duty gift bag. And I'm just going to remove this part of it and open her up and just cut right along that bottom edge. There we go. You can use a lot of this. I'm going to cut about 4 inches. I can use the top piece too, but cut about 4 inches there. Open this up and cut right along the edge there. Okay, I have my piece of paper here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snip down almost to the end, but not all the way. So I'm making basically fringe here. Okay, now I've got my fringe. Now I'm going to take a little piece of tape, and I'm going to place that tape on the end here. And I'm going to wrap that right around the top to hold it in place. Now, as I go along, I can add a little bit of hot glue if I want to, just to keep it going. All right, there you go. You've got your frond on the top here. And then I'm going to take a little piece, about 6 inches, of twine, and just tie it around the top. Now, to finish it off and make it look really nice, I'm going to add a little tag. Now, I have a PDF that you can download and print. I just printed this on some paper cardstock that was nice and pretty and tan. Matches my bag. I'm just going to trim it here, and I've got a 2-inch hole puncher, and just line it up, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. And then I have a small hole puncher. I like to call these ka-chunk, ka-chunkers. And I just put a hole punch at the top there. And now the way that I tie this on is just by sliding this through and tying it with a single tie. No need to do a double knot. And there you go. You've got your little corn. And then if you want to, what's really fun is grab yourself like a little tiny basket, put some crinkle paper in there, and add your little corn in. And there you go. And there you have it. A Thanksgiving Day takeaway treat that your guests are certainly going to want to gobble on up. For more fun ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.